I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video I'm going to be showing you our new pigment range from glitterplanetuk.com, and as you can see there are 6 beautiful colours. And yeah, I just wanted to do a really quick easy demo display nail that you guys can follow along really easily. All of the colours will be sold individually, that way you guys can purchase the ones that you want or just buy the full set. So yeah, here we go. I've applied 2 coats of white gel polish and cured those in the light for 30 seconds. So now I'm applying the pigments into the tacky dispersion layer of that white gel. I haven't applied a no white top coat, I haven't applied a clear tacky top coat. This is straight over that colour. Well, over the white. Technically it's not actually a colour, but yeah, we're going to go ahead and add the pigments. As you can see, I'm literally just using a flat nail art brush. Any brush that you have will work really well with the pigments, as long as you can pick it up and buff it into the nail. The options and the designs are absolutely endless. The possibilities that you can create with these are limitless. Like seriously, they are so versatile and so beautiful. But today I just wanted to show you guys a simple ombre with all 6 colours, and then I'm also going to be showing you guys the Aurora pigment. So all I'm doing is really simple. You just pick up a slight bit of pigment and just buff it into the nail, blending it into the next colour. It's literally that easy. And once I've applied a colour, as you can see, I'm going back with the previous colour and just blending over the top to make sure I've got a real nice gradient blend. As I'm doing all 6 colours, it was a little bit difficult, sort of like at the top area, to get a nice gradient, because there was only a short space to actually create that gradient, if that makes any sense whatsoever. So I just used the dust brush to dust off any excess pigment, and now I'm coming in with my clear gel top coat. I'm applying a generous layer, but making sure that I don't let any gel sort of like well up or make huge clumps of the gel, because that way you're going to get either discolouring of the pigments. This is with any top coat that you use or whatever you apply it over. You can get yellowing and it can just be a little bit iffy. You don't want bumpy lumpy nails, so try and make sure you apply it smooth, allow it to self-level. So next I'm showing you guys the Aurora Holo pigment, and I am so excited about this. It's absolutely stunning, and it's basically like a clear Aurora Holo, if that makes any sense. As you can see, I'm just applying it over the colours, but you'll see once I've dusted off and added top coat, you can still see those colours straight through, which I think is absolutely stunning. Beautiful over white, and I'm going to show you guys the finished result with and without flash, and also in daylight, because obviously right now I have all my filming lights on, but look how gorgeous it is. Honestly, in person it's so stunning, and when it's not in the light, it's got like a mirror effect almost. It's so stunning. Really hard to describe. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll have a list of the directions or instructions down below. The Aurora pigment as well was applied over a no wipe top coat, and then I double top coated over the top, and it's just stunning. Literally beautiful. So yeah, don't forget to use my code NINJA10 for 10% off if you are interested in the pigments, and I will see you in my next video. Please always remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye!
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.